Ew, I don't see me. I don't see me. Ooh, it says starting. It says starting.
Ooh.
Unsupported resolution. You need to change the video resolution. Expected video resolution, 1280 by 720. Settings, 1280 by 720. 1280 by, where is my setting? Up, 12. Video. 1280. Oh, that's fine. Can I pause the stream? Okay. Stop streaming. Let's try that again. Oh, stream health.
What's Spark?
SPARQ.
SPARK.
Is it an Apache module? It's like, so do you know what Hadoop is?
Conceptually.
Okay, so it's like that.
Okay.
So there's the like, and I forget how they all fit together, but there's like Hive, Pig, Spark, like they all have different roles in that like clustering ecosystem. It is a fast, in-memory data processing engine with elegant and expressive development APIs to allow data workers to efficiently execute. So it's it looks like it's a kind of like a compute engine, like a data processing engine. So I'm gonna say like, have you used the AWS or GCP products? Yeah. Anyway, it's like a remote, high-powered computer that you can run processes on.
Okay.
Computer framework. Have you used Spark?
Spark?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit.
Yeah.
When I'm following the online course.
Same. It's always been guided for me.
Yeah, if I don't use it like daily basis, I just easily forget.
Yeah. Do you know if it costs to run things in Spark? Is it like a
Spark is open source. I think.
Spark is open source, but you have to be able to run it on something like.
You mean hardware?
Yeah. Or let's see, distributed storage.
You can say you have only one node in your cluster.
Okay.
That will be your laptop.
And if you want to do any more than that, you have to use like a cloud service.
I think so.
Yeah.
Or you can set up
A network in your which I'm not gonna mess with that. Yeah. So.
or a virtual machine. I don't know.
But again, if it's a virtual machine on your computer, that's still using a finite amount of, like you're limited to what you can run.
Yes.
So Spark is something that you might use in Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud Platform. I feel like that's the only place that I've used it is in one of those cloud services. Mm-hmm. And then, so what she's talking about with the nodes is it spins up an environment in a computer, and you tell it if you want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, and so you are like distributing all of your data out there so it can run separately at the same time, to run faster. Okay. So that's why it's used for big data, because it's so much that it's like, well, this would take 2 days for us to run, but we can run it in a couple hours if we distribute it. What's it called? Sharding your data, which is a dangerous word. Stream health. Yellow.
Do you know any positions in machine learning, big data?
In the Cleveland area, they're not junior level, so the ones that are here are going to be looking for 5 to 10 years experience. Google, I think, has a location in Pittsburgh. That's about 2 hours away. So
It's already up and running, or just like?
I think so, yeah. The one in Cleveland is not. Oh, that's Amazon. But Google in Pittsburgh is a thing. Google, let's do jobs.
Yeah, I tried to search like machine learning in Cleveland.
Yeah. There's not a lot here for that. No. It's careers.google.com. But yeah, Pittsburgh, see jobs. And if you do a search and don't limit it to Cleveland, you'll find a lot more. Like there's a lot in Seattle, Silicon Valley,
Yes, I tried multiple
DC,
places.
New York.
Compare
Yeah.
what place has the most opportunities.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, Google has a research scientist, machine learning, and intelligence position in Pittsburgh. Experience in natural language understanding, computer vision, machine learning, algorithmic functions of optimization, data mining, or machine intelligence. Minimum qualifications, PhD in computer science, right? A lot of the machine learning jobs are requiring not just a master's, like minimum master's, this one minimum PhD, but it's also Google. So, but Google is pretty high entry. Like most people that I know either had experience before they went to Google or they went through Google's internship program and still applied 2-3 times before they actually got their job there. So Google is a little bit of an outlier in that respect, but.
So what kind of jobs are available in Cleveland?
There's a lot of software developer, web developer jobs here. If you're looking for like analyst, a lot of those are going to be at banks, or I mean, we've got the big three. We've got Ernst & Young. We've got what's the one?
Federal Reserve.
Yeah, we have Federal Reserve jobs, but I'm thinking the like
McKinley and
big conglomerates like Ernst & Young, freaking A. What's the one? They're orange or something. Big Three. Is that what they're called?
Big Three?
Big Three consulting firms. Big Three management consulting. What are the big three? Oh, those are not the ones I meant. What about the big four? Big Four. It's the big four, my bad. Could we not just call them the big seven? Ernst & Young, Deloitte. I don't know that we have KPMG. And I don't think we have PricewaterhouseCoopers. But those are the big four. And so, like, we have 2 of them at least. Deloitte has a lot of jobs.
Do these require like business, financial background?
Not necessarily background, but that's what they work in. So it's what they're gonna like gear you towards. Yeah. Accenture. We have Accenture. They are always posting jobs.
There's some in Columbus.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're big. Let's see. Yeah, summer analyst program. That's neat. Sounds like an internship.
Essential.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. I have a friend working there for more than 10 years.
Yeah, I mean they have jobs all over the world, and some of them are here. Let's see, refined by city. OHCLE update. And they get pretty specific. That's weird. SAP S4 HANA Cloud Edition SD Senior Analyst.
Don't know what that is.
Nope. AWS Cloud Security Architect. AWS. So AWS and Google Cloud Platform are things you'll want to become familiar with long term. That's not necessarily the place to start. Salesforce. Oh, what a joke. Front-end engineer. Full-stack engineer. Microservices engineer. Full-stack engineer manager. Oh, good Lord. One of the things they were talking about at the big data meetup last month was like, I want to say it was like 27 different titles in that one company for a data analyst. Like, it makes it hard for them to find people. It makes it hard for us to find them. Like, so it's just so new that everyone calls it something different.
Yeah, and
Even within a company.
even you have the same name of the position,
Mm-hmm.
you don't look at the description, you might like
Yeah.
think that something else.
Yeah, like data analyst could be like data entry. It could be like do this in Excel, or it could be like junior level data scientist. Like,
or can be just doing SQL.
Yeah. So like looking at the tooling listed in the position is almost better than having a position. Like, good Lord.
Always look at the description.
Data is such a buzzword, so it becomes a catch-all for everything these days. It's like if you're just doing SQL, call it a statistician. But anyway. Okay, well, I'm happy that at least my encoding software seems to... Oh, can you hop on YouTube and tell me if you can see? Because I can't see anything. It's black on my screen. So it says I'm live. It says we're live, but it doesn't seem to be showing video.
What camera are you using?
Just the laptop native, or at least that's what I had it set for.
You do not have a light.
Yeah.
Some new social stream. Yeah, it's black, but you hear voices.
Okay. I wonder where output.
Yeah, same.
Okay. This is so much more complex than I expected. It's like, oh, we'll just be able to click go live. Nope. Download encoding software. Configure the encoding software.
What is this software?
OBS. It's like one of the, I think it was the only open source one that I could find.
Oh, for YouTube.
For, YouTube encoding. Stream delay. No, thank you. Audio
I
monitoring.
did a lot of the
Recording.
lecturing or meeting using either it's a conference. This
Zoom?
one and there's another one.
Are use Zoom for conference meetings, but it doesn't. Zoom doesn't do live stream encoding, and so I don't quite know what it is, but there were a list of things that worked, and this was the only open source one on there. Scene, maybe? Like studio mode, video. It says video output is currently active.
Maybe the camera doesn't work.
I mean, that would be a new development because it works just doing the regular. Like if I go to here, like you can see, yeah.
Oh, see, you got the light on, but when you are doing the streaming window, I didn't see the light.
The little green thing up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got to be something that I need to do in OBS though, because this is what's running the stream. Pictures.
Why are you doing this to me?
Spite, malice. Or just some faulty instructions. I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys are welcome to have blueberries. That was the only thing that I was like, these will be snackable.
Thank you. Video?
So I can't change the settings while I'm streaming, so we can pause it. But, I mean, none of these look like things. I wonder if it's something in here. Scenes, scene, sources, add a source, image, scene, what is this? Video capture device, no, oh, how about I just Google it? OBS. Camera. Not working. Let's try adding a source.
Do you ever work with XML files?
Video capture device. Apparently. Video capture device. Okay. Device. FaceTime HD camera. Yes. Oh my god.
You did it.
Do I need to use buffering? I don't know. Let's try it without. Okay. Ooh.
What did you do?
Oh, it's not the same size as the output. That's why. So I went and did add a source, and the type I needed was video capture device. That does not capture the device. I thought it would be like, oh, we capture, that would be window capture. No. And then I just chose the one that was available because I only have one on here. Got it.
Or maybe you add another like screen capturing. You can switch between while you're doing sections. I show you desktop.
Mm-hmm. Window capture. Okay. Firefox. This. Yeah. That's where I got it. So let's put that there. Okay. Window shadow. Empty names. No, that changed nothing. Oh, that did change something. I just didn't give it time. No, that changed nothing. Okay. And then I can change the settings. I don't want the window shadow. Okay. See if I can just move it. Yes! Internet is magical. I still can't see it.
Did you save?
It's not something to
I mean, setting.
the setting. I'm not in the settings. It's just I don't. Come on. Stop. Well, it does say viewers may be experiencing minor issues. Maybe it's just because That's so weird.
Some type
Delay, yeah. And that might have been something well, it does have to go to space and back. Or under the ocean. Low latency, so best for near real-time interaction with minimal playback buffering. I might need to set it for normal latency to get high-quality viewer playback. Maybe. I don't want that though. Maybe if I... What? Now there are two of me. This is so weird.
I think right now.
Oh, I see it! Look,
Yay.
it's here! Yes!
Yay.
Okay, so it just took some time for it to like recognize. Okay, let's play around with what is this? What are some quick transitions? Cut, fade, what? Weird. Fade. I don't know what this is doing. Maybe if I... Oh, weird. Okay. So I figured out what the transition thing is. If I change something in my little like Studio, this still shows what was there before, but then when I click to transition, ooh, it updates.
Okay. Transition maybe save update, something like that.
Yeah. So it'll cut to the new one, and it can set the amount of fade on it. Set that real high and see what it does. Double. Oh, I don't think I like that higher fade. Maybe I do. I don't know. Okay, well. That's what I was supposed to figure out today, so. Now I can do actual coding. Cards. What are these cards? Add card. Oh. Interesting. Feature a nonprofit of your choice. Let's do Python Software Foundation. Hey, it's in there. Oh my gosh, I just got super hungry. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off after I. Science or education? What would you put for Python? Education. Boom. Card title. Support Python. Teaser text. Oh, there's a limit. Oh, apparently you can donate to Python Software Foundation from our live stream. Yeah. Okay, well, I feel better about that.
Alright, so how do I uninstall
Okay, that's 30 minutes. We can end this madness. Hooray!